Today I'm showing you the only pairs of shoes to pack in your bag, and there's a max of 3 of them. Because let's be real, the wrong shoes don't just waste space, they quietly drain your energy before the trip even begins. Pair 1, your walking shoes. All right, this first pair is non-negotiable. These are the shoes you wear on your feet at the airport and you do not pack. They should be deeply comfortable, supportive for long walking days, stable enough for uneven sidewalks, and easy to slip on and off at security. For Luxe travelers, this shoe does a lot of quiet work. Think about it. Airport terminals, long corridors, standing at gates, unexpected delays, connections, plus city walking and transit days. This shoe needs to support your arches, your joints, and your energy, because if your feet hurt, then everything hurts. So look for cushioned soles. You don't want anything that's stiff. You want real arch support, nothing flat. You want to be sure that your heel is secure, not floppy. And finally, you want the shoe to be made of breathable materials, which is especially important for warmer climates. All right, pair number 2, your day to night shoes. The second pair is where most people overpack or just straight get it wrong. You should only need 1 pair that transitions from day to night. Not heels, not hard soles, and not something that looks good but feels terrible after an hour. This shoe should work with casual outfits during the day and feel polished enough for dinner. It should be able to handle walking and still feel comfortable after sunset. Think soft leather or flexible materials, cushioned footbeds, and neutral tones that match with everything. Something that doesn't scream tourist, but also doesn't punish your feet. This pair replaces extra flats, extra sandals, and that dress shoe that only matches one outfit. If you're slow traveling, dining out, and wandering cities, this shoe quietly carries you through the entire day. And for Luxe travelers, this is where intentional style meets real-world comfort. You're not dressing for photos, you're dressing for experience. All right, pair number 3, shoes for the pool or the beach. And I mean, this third pair is optional, but really only optional if your trip doesn't include water. If you're going to be near a pool, a beach, or a spa, or even in a coastal town, you're going to want flip-flops or sandals with support. So not paper thin, not slippery, and not the kind that leave your feet aching. These shoes should be lightweight, dry quickly, have arch support, and feel stable on wet surfaces. They are perfect for pool decks, beach walks, hotel rooms, and casual strolls. And yes, they pack flat, so they take almost no space and they save your feet in warm destinations. This pair prevents you from wearing your walking shoes where they don't belong. That helps everything last longer. Okay, so that's the only 3 pairs of shoes to pack in your bag for walking support, day to night ease, and water-friendly comfort. If you want more comfort first guidance designed for Luxe travelers, subscribe to Luxe Global Living. We're building a calmer, lighter, more intentional way to travel.